Welcome to class today, geometry students on Friday. Hope you're ready for this test. Please listen carefully to these announcements. First of all, Jason, Martin, and Azu, I did get your review sheets. Thank you for turning those in early. You don't have to do that, but I did get those, so you're good. Jake, you did not have to do the review sheet, but if you did, please get that out and turn that in now to Mr. Harmon, so please pause and do that. Moving on, Martin, I did not get homework from you Wednesday night. So yesterday, Thursday, when you came to class and watched the video, I announced for you to turn in Wednesday's homework. Now, you might not have finished it, but you had to turn in what you did. I got everybody else's. Jake, you are 100% caught up on everything, so good job there. Martin, I need Wednesday's homework from you, so please email me or talk to me about that. Thank you. You should have a test on your desk. If you don't, then pause the video and make sure you have a test. Let's go through the test quickly. If you'll look on the first part of your test, actually, I'm going to go ahead and do something a little different here. I believe, hold on one second, please. I'm going to try something a little different here. Hold on. Just give me 5 more seconds. There we go. That should be just like your test. So now you can see your whole test. Okay, here we go. Here's your test. You should see on page number 1, it's numbers 1 through 11. Okay, so numbers 1 through 11, fill in the blank with the correct word: parallel lines, perpendicular lines, skew lines, parallel planes, theorem 3.1, theorem 3.2, theorem 3.3, theorem 3.4, definition of transversal, postulate 10, postulate 11. Okay, all of those are fill in the blank. I hope you do really, really well on those. Okay, moving on to page number 2. List the 4 things that we know about angles formed by 2 parallel lines in a transversal. Let me give you one of these. Well, Mr. Earhart, you're helping us with the test. I know, that's fine. Here's one of them. Alternate exterior angles are congruent. Okay? Alternate exterior angles are congruent. That's what I'm looking here. There's 4 things we know about angles. Okay? So write out all 4 of those. I just gave you one of them. Now, number 13, list the 6 ways to prove that 2 lines are parallel. Now, we did learn 6 ways. I'll give you one of these if you want to write it down. One of them was, let's see, alternate exterior angles are congruent. Alternate exterior angles are congruent. So we're looking for 5 other ways to prove the lines are parallel. I listed those out for you on your review sheet, and I told you they would be on the test. At the bottom of page 2, we see number 14, find the value of x given that P, I didn't put P, did I? Look right here, please. See Q? See this line right here? That's P. See that line right there? That's P. So P and Q are perpendicular. Sorry about that. P and Q are perpendicular. Okay, for numbers 15 and 16, now we're on page 3 of your test. Find the measures of angles 1 and 2. Look at this. Lines that look parallel are parallel. So number 15, those 2 lines are parallel. Number 16, those 2 lines are parallel. So what do you know when you have 2 parallel lines and all these different angles? Find the measure of angles 1 and 2. What do you know when you have 2 parallel lines cut by a transversal? Find the measure of angles 1 and 2. You should be able to do that. 17, 18, and 19, state the theorems or postulates explaining how you would know that line A is parallel to line B. In fact, actually, remember back here, I told you there are 6 ways. Right here, number 13, there's 6 ways to prove that lines are parallel. Well, you're going to use these 6 reasons, okay? So one of those reasons will work for number 17. One of those reasons will work for number 18. One of those reasons will work for number 19, okay? So you're using your 6 reasons to explain how you know that lines A and B are parallel. That's for 17, 18, and 19. Numbers 20 and 21. Now we're on page 4 of your test. Find the value of x so that line P is parallel to line Q. All right, find the value of x so that line P is parallel to line Q. Students, you need, last test we took, I think, Jake, you might have gone over. Guys, you need to finish during the class period. I have made sure that the math problems were not that hard. If you learned your fill in the blanks and all that kind of stuff, you should whip through those. If you don't, taking your test later is not going to help you, okay? So I don't want you finishing this test later during the day. All right, you finished the test during the class period. Mr. Harmon and I have talked about that. We're in agreement on that. And so finish your test this class hour, okay? Call me or email me later on if there's any problems. Hope you guys have a great weekend, and we will talk to you on Monday.